Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today, you and I together will be making one of my all-time favorite snacks, Power Balls. Here's what you'll be needing. A little bit of leftover granola, some honey, peanut butter or almond butter, and then some chocolate chips, which are optional, or you could just crunch up some dark chocolate and add it in there. Also, you could melt a little bit of dark chocolate and then roll them in that. We've done it several different ways, and they're all great. So we're going to take our peanut butter and just mash it into the granola. Mix it in a little bit. Take the honey and put that in. The honey actually acts more like a binder than anything else and sweetens it up a little bit. You can do this recipe with raw granola and with the leftover cooked granola. The only suggestion I have is if you do it with the raw granola, you don't want any steel cut oats. They're really, really hard on your teeth. But rolled oats are great. So after you have everything mixed together, what you're going to do is take approximately a teaspoon, tablespoon, and then you're going to form it into a ball and drop it onto parchment paper. So after you have rolled them, you just pop them into the fridge, and there you go. Just like that, your snack is ready.